everyone, it's Carrie over at Double Click. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am doing a VR for Jen over at Sassy Southern NC Girl. Her channel will be linked down below. She is hosting a 1K challenge, and there are several ways that you can receive entries. You can do a VR, share her video on your community tab, and she's requesting an ATC that is flat so she can put it in her new binder. She was requesting you pick a theme. Some of the options were summer, the 4th of July, and Paris. Her channel will be linked down below so you can check out her video with all of the details. Let's help Jen get to her 1K subbies. I have already posted on my community tab. I'm doing a VR now, and I have decided to do a 4th of July theme. My husband and I were married on the 4th of July. I really do enjoy crafting for the 4th of July. This is the card that I made her. This was a notepad. The background was able to cut it down and it fit on a card front just perfectly. This was a piece of ephemera that I had in my stash, as well as a firework sticker. I think it came out so super cute. This is the inside of my card. Here is the ATC. I think it came out so super cute. I scored this Happy 4th of July in a swap with someone that was local, and I've always wanted to use it, so I decided this would be the perfect project to make it on. I did heat emboss it after I stamped it, that way it stuck out a little bit more. This tag was in some ephemera. I added a little bit of ribbon, some star sequin, and this also was in the same ephemera pack. I did put some of my information on the back, as well as making a little pocket for it. I am sending flat mail. It's just how I really like to send out challenge entries. It's fun for me to challenge myself to make things flat. I feel like I can get a whole lot of goodies in these flat envelopes. Using my Cricut cartridge, I made these fun firecrackers. I think they're so cute, in a couple different sizes, so hopefully she can use them on some of her future projects. Had to send her some red, white, and blue dewdrops. And that is my entry for Jen over at Sassy Southern NC Girl. Please be sure to stop by her channel and let's help her complete her challenge. Thanks so much for stopping by my craft room, and have a great day. Bye guys.